Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I would like to show you what's happening for the Bitcoin price because right now Bitcoin is on a big pump and guys, it happened as I was waiting for. I told you that the most crucial part of the yesterday video was how we're gonna close the daily candle, and I told you that if we're gonna close the daily candle above the $27,000, there is a big probability the next day, which is today, to see a pump. And right now it seems that it's happening this scenario because we are at $27,300 and before a couple hours we were exactly at $27,480. And I believe a lot, guys, that if we're gonna close the daily candle above the $27,000 and let's say $27,300, $400, then this scenario it could be super bullish because the next day we can continue this pump straight to $28,000 and then everything will change. So on this video, guys, I'm gonna discuss you and I'm gonna analyze you all these kind of scenarios. So if you would like to know what's my next move for the Bitcoin price, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trade, and do not forget to check my Patreon because here you're gonna find my buy signals, sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio, access to my strategies, and the most important part, the Telegram VIP community where multimillionaires included, and all together we are analyzing and we are speaking for crypto related things, and actually we are helping each other. So highly recommended, and especially guys, I recommend you to enter before the massive pump, because if we're gonna see a pump over $30,000, all the portfolio and especially the low caps that I'm investing heavily are gonna explode a lot and you're gonna lose lots of gains. So without losing more time, let's get back to our analysis because here we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially, guys, to remind you, as I told you, the key points of yesterday, it was how we're gonna close the daily candle of this red candle that we had here. And I told you that if we're gonna close above the $27,000, and $27,000 is very crucial support because, guys, as you can clearly see here, every time that we came back to retest this orange box, every time we were bouncing, we saw only a massive breakout. It happened only at that time, and we saw a quickly recovery. And obviously this happened with this fall wedge pattern because I called you that fall wedge pattern from the first time that we dropped at that area, because I saw some strength at these areas here. So I called you to do not short from that position. Be very careful with your shorts because it's a very big probability to see a fall wedge pattern formation. And as it happened, you can clearly see we broke at this massive resistance of $26,930. We went straight to the $27,680. We saw slightly pullback. We went to retest the previous support here, and right now it seems that we are bouncing and we are breaking the most crucial support, which right now we had as a resistance, which is the $27,000 area. And guys, if we're gonna close this daily candle above this orange box, then there is a big probability for a next pump to the upside the next day, which it can get us straight to $28,000. And as you know, $28,000 is a very strong resistance, and actually it's a daily resistance. And if we're gonna close a daily candle above this blue line, this could be, guys, a super bull scenario. Okay, so if we tomorrow see any bounce over $28,000, this could be extremely bullish scenario. And obviously, guys, we're gonna get straight into the technical price target of this fall wedge pattern if tomorrow we're gonna close above the $28,000. Okay, obviously there is a scenario to get at $28,000 and see a massive rejection. Okay, but you have to be open-minded because I explain you the reasons that I'm more bullish than bearish, because the adoption, okay, because the adoption that we had here. And sorry if I'm being repeatedly with these things. I'm telling you these things over and over again for the people who didn't understand my point of view, and actually for the new subscribers that are coming to the channel, so to have a completely idea for what I'm speaking about. And I'm speaking for this kind of a massive dump that we have here, and actually 3 banks went into a collapse, and instead of Bitcoin to follow the SP 500, Bitcoin decoupled from the SP 500, and we saw this phenomenal impulsive move that actually shocked me, because I wasn't expecting to see something like that. That's why I'm tending more to bullish scenario rather than the bearish scenario. But as you know, I'm still neutral, as we are under this yellow line and over this red line. I'm still neutral. I'm waiting to take positions when I'm gonna see an action either to break the yellow line or either to break the red zone. So as I told you, if we're gonna close tomorrow above the $28,000, then we're gonna get obviously straight into the technical price target of this forwards pattern, which is exactly at that point at 29,200, at $29,250. Okay, this is the technical price target of this forwards pattern, and I highly believe that tomorrow, if you're gonna see an extremely pump over and above the $28,000, then we're gonna get straight to the technical price target of the forwards pattern. So guys, be very, very careful. But also tomorrow, if you're gonna see furthermore pump to $28,000, it's gonna play a big, big role how we're gonna close also the daily candle, because there is a big probability, as I told you, to see a rejection. Okay. Um, be very careful. It's very, very thin points right now. And also would like to show you the MACD indicator on the daily time frame, which, as you can clearly see, we saw a big flip on that area before a couple weeks, and right now you're gonna clearly see that it's going for a massive flip. If we're gonna see, guys, on the daily time frame the MACD into a flip, then there is a big opportunity for an incredible rally straight to $32,000, $33,000 area. And as you remember, I told you that if you're gonna see daily candle and weekly candle closing in the areas obviously above this yellow line, and in the areas like $32,000, $33,000, then guys, I highly believe that we will never ever come under of this yellow line, which is the $30,500. And because, as I told you, that we can still remain on the bear market but in higher numbers, and the reason of that is because the adoption. We have bank crisis, because big global financial crisis, and for these things people start investing even on the bear market on Bitcoin, start saving their money on the Bitcoin. So this could potentially blow up the price of Bitcoin but still be a bear market, because when we're gonna actually see a potential bull run, and actually the peak of the bull run, which I believe it could happen at 2024, within 2025, then guys, I believe that we can see Bitcoin with that kind of adoption up to 5 trillion easy. Okay, at 5 trillion in a market cap perspective, and the Bitcoin price could get up to $500,000, which is insane number, I know, but there is a big probability, because the global economy is going from bad to worse. So people right now will distrust the bank system, the governments, everything, and will try to find the next thing that's gonna save their wealth, and this is gonna be the Bitcoin. So this is why I believe that we could potentially see these insane numbers for BTC price. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. Obviously, if you're gonna see something like that, you're gonna regret a lot that you didn't enter on this Patreon group, because the buy signals and the strategies that I'm sharing with you are insane. That's the video. Let me know if you have any question down below in the comment section, and we'll see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.